Hello friends, fighting kesang tini kaisa nelit ni bisingte ketal kaisa job ni notification neleano notification ni bisingte or name of the post duita post ni morja tongo faculty interns duita post ni bagai 6 month contractual basic na tilangjaknai te number of post jak tongo faculty ni bagai post tongnai 5 ta te essential qualification nangnai BE BTech ME MTech MSc CS, IT, Electronics and Communication with minimum 60% mark qualification nangnai te experience hingke 1 year teaching experience nangnai o subject na tiyei as limit hingke 30 years juratai o post ni bagai application khaimanai hingke per month ro salary rejaknai 15500 na rejaknai place of posting ka nelet Agartala no posting rejaknai interns ni bagai post tongnai 5 ta essential qualification BCA BSc IT Diploma in Computer Science, Electronics and Communication, Computer Science and Technology with good English communication skills sonanangnai. As living hinke 25 years juratai application khaimanai o post ni bagai stipend hinke ora per month 12000 rejaknai place of posting tongnai Nelet Agartala Study Center Khomolung Monogar and Kolasra o tinta jaga no tongnai application submission last date tongnai ora 4 August 2023 Monday juratai norok application khaimanai narojara o post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai application ongkha offline thangai marinai application jomarina bagai oro address jak tongo assistant director admin National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology Nelet Agartala RK Nagar opposite to NEPCO Khairpur Agartala West Tripura pin jak tongo 799008 o address thangai norok application joma marinai tei norok ni application format no ang video ni description a rinai tei norok video ni description thani application download khlai from fill khlai tei norok application ni logio norok ni essential qualification certificate all documents xerox copy application form ni logio joma marinai।